So we are going back to our hotel room. It's 8:30 and Emma needs a drink. Hot tub. Ping pong. No talking.
She should be. I wonder what floor we're going to.
So no talking.
I'm not so great at that.
She was interrogating me today when I was reading my book.
I was not interrogating you.
So what kind of lunch meat should we get?
Listen, someone of us has to do the work around here.
Going into our room. Give a tour of our room. So maybe next year the two mums can come.
Yeah.
And pigs might fly out of my butt. All right, this is the girls' room. Go in the door, make a left. This is where Emma slept. That's where Julie slept. The bathroom.
Cece wasn't too thrilled with me driving her.
Yeah. This is our kitchen.
You're not thrilled with them.
This is our kitchen. That's a sink.
The sink.
This is a dining room table.
You are so funny.
These chairs really suck you. I mean, they're not very comfortable at all. I didn't sit on them, but I heard feedback.
You haven't even sat on them, have you?
No.
Oh.
This is our...
I'm not gonna make you a milkshake.
I don't want a milkshake. This is our deck. Well, you can't really see the ocean now because it's dark, but you can hear it. That's where we were at. That's the hot tub. You hear the waves. You maybe see a little bit of the ocean. But over here is the resort next door. We don't like them. They throw eggs at us. They can't reach us though. Eighth floor, beach view. Tomorrow morning I'll get up and I'll show you the sunrise.